So hello guys, in today's video we are going to talk about Dotcoin, which is under Telegram mining. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn some points in Dotcoin. So by tapping, you are going to be earning your reward every day. If you are tapping, the tapping will be increasing fast. So this is the first stage of earning points in Dotcoin. So literally by inviting friends, you can get additional Dotcoins. So let's come to boost. This is multi-tap and daily attempts. They are a crucial aspect of getting more points in Dotcoin. This is multi-tap and this is daily attempts. By upgrading it, you can move faster. Earn points. You can come here by performing tasks. Follow the X account. Follow community. See, yes coin, play hamster, play Cartesians. So guys, I've come to the end of the video. Like, share, and subscribe.